Hey YouTube and library now, as I have created a channel on there as well. Haven't had a channel update for a while, so I thought it was past time for it. But basically, the only thing really new is snow. We've just received a lot of snow. I thought I'd also update on a few projects we're working on. Now, right here was the trail, but it all drifted through. So yeah, this winter we've just received a lot of snow. More like what it used to be. But I wanted to update you on a few projects that we'll be working on in the near future. Hopefully if spring ever feels like it's gonna come. So this tractor here is a 1942 Case Model LA. That should be fun. I've never really worked on a case before. This one here is a 1936 Case Model L. And this one here is a 1936 Farmall F30. Again, you can see there's just lots of snow, but it is a nice pretty day though. So here's the F30, the L, and the LA. Motors are free on all of them, so I'm hoping it won't be too hard of a project on each one. I'm sure it will be though, as they always are. And we've got the little 2010 here with the blade. It's mostly just moving little bits of snow around. It doesn't really do a whole lot, but let me get around to the other side here. So here's the back end of the F30. I think it's had some work done to it and somewhat of a paint job in the not too distant past, so hopefully it won't be too bad of a project. That's the Case Model L. Again, I think it's 1936. Painted orange. I believe it should be gray. And actually, I think the Farmall right here should also be gray. I think both those are painted improperly. And sorry about the poor lighting condition. Again, that's the Case Model LA. See if I can change the exposure here a little bit. This time of year, the sun just never shines on this side of the shed. So unless I come out here in a storm or after the sun goes down. But again, that's the L right there, and you can just see how much snow's on it. So it's been a very snowy year this year. There's the toy, good old Skidoo 850, lots of fun. And the 4230 right there with a snowblower on it. Let's see, right there. And we'll go out and take a look at the field. You can see the wind's blowing pretty well. Makes nice and pretty though. That's a 1937 John Deere Model A that I would also like to restore. It's kind of lower on the list though, as it's going to need a lot of work. But it's been interesting though, using it as kind of a snow gauge this year. You'll see that it does have a good amount of snow on it. It's 2 MTs. They're also on the list for hopefully fairly soon future projects, but again, you can see there's a lot of snow. Anyway, that's pretty much it for an update. hopefully winter will break to spring, maybe. This year it really doesn't feel like it's ever going to, but we'll see. But once it does, I will keep you updated on future projects and how the farming's going. Until then, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. No, Dusty.